Hi, I'm May, and this is On Tyranny 10 Warnings We Can't Ignore. There are 20 lessons in Timothy Snyder's book, but here are the 10 you need right now. Short, sharp, and more relevant than ever. Let's begin. Number 1. Tyranny starts when you obey before you're told. You stay quiet to avoid conflict. You adjust your words to fit the moment. You tell yourself it's just being polite. It's not. That's how freedom erodes, through silence, not violence. Number 2. Institutions don't protect us unless we protect them. Courts, elections, journalism, none of them are self-sustaining. They crumble when we shrug or when we cheer as they're dismantled. If you wait until they're gone, it's too late. Number 3. Anyone who says they alone can fix it is lying. Real leaders share power. Tyrants centralize it. Simple slogans feel good, but they're designed to shut down your thinking. When someone offers you total certainty, ask what they're hiding. Number 4. Paramilitaries don't need uniforms. Sometimes they're in tactical gear, sometimes polos, sometimes badges. The moment a political cause uses violence to silence opposition, it's no longer politics, it's force. Number 5. Lies are the foundation of tyranny. The goal isn't to fool you once, it's to make you stop trusting anything. Truth dies not with a bang, but under a pile of contradictions. If nothing's real, then power decides what is. Number 6. Crises are used to rewrite the rules. Fear makes people give away rights they'll never get back. Emergencies are when power expands and rarely shrinks. The worst abuses often happen when people feel unsafe and want fast answers. Number 7. Real patriotism means holding your country accountable. Blind loyalty is nationalism, not love. A true patriot wants their country to be better. A nationalist wants obedience. One builds, the other blinds. Number 8. Your profession is never neutral. Doing your job isn't enough if your job helps injustice. Whether you're writing code, reporting news, or following orders, your actions matter. Ethics don't stop at your paycheck. Number 9. Watch the language and the symbols. Dehumanizing language always comes first. So do flags, slogans, chants. They seem harmless until they're not. Words prepare people to accept what they'd otherwise reject. Number 10. Be the one who resists early. Most people stay quiet. Most follow the crowd. But every resistance begins with one person saying, no. That's where change starts. That's where hope lives. That's it. 10 lessons. We're not in the past, but history doesn't stay in books. It echoes. The question is, will we hear it in time? I'm May, and this is On Tyranny. Share it. Live it. Before you need to fight for it.